This is a very personal story. It's the first time I've taken privacy public, and I'd never done that. You don't see me doing that a lot in my life. And this was a story that I thought had some merit about my mom and my dad and my sisters and formative years growing up.
Family, art, it'll tear you in two.
You stop making movies, it'll break your mother's heart.
And now we're going to introduce people to a family called the Fabelmans.
Any extra nervousness that I would have had was just so immediately dispelled by how gushy and warm Steven is.
Steven's one of the great film artists of all time, so there may already be some pressure that comes with it. From our first conversation, he was so open and vulnerable about this subject matter. That kind of opens the door to everything and to all of us in the crew.
It is about movies, fundamentally, and it is by nature cinematic. It's a humongous movie. Even though it really focuses on nuanced, small relationships in a lot of ways, it has a humongous scope to it.
What kind of movie are we going to make?
Well, it's a Steven Spielberg movie. They're so cinematic. They're made, he's a movie lover. They're made for movie screens. They're made for moviegoers.
Families are complicated, and I don't know any family that is not complicated. So I think there's a lot of sort of universal truths in the story we're telling.
It's incredibly personal, it's masterfully crafted, and it's really good.
Steven is letting you into how he sees the world, which is through the language of film.
Movies are dreams.